Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa. Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home.
Hello everyone, welcome to At Home with Lisa. Hi love buzz, welcome to the channel. Today you guys, we are going to be doing a countertop centerpiece for the spring. I wanted to do this a little bit early just to give you an idea of what you can do for the spring / Easter as far as creating a centerpiece for your countertop, for your tabletops, your coffee table. This centerpiece that I'm going to create, which is going to be a whimsical one, you can use it in any space in your home. Y'all, spring is in the air, so it is time to start refreshing, renewing, and getting your spaces together for the spring. So I've just used some Myers clean day, and it's for multi-purpose surfaces, multi-surface cleaning, and it's in the lemon scent. And you guys, it smells so divine, you guys. So I am getting my pieces together, and the first piece I'm going to use is going to be my vase, okay? And my base is going to be this wooden tray here. And everything that I am using today, you guys, is what I already had. I went in the garage and I went into my 2 spring and Easter bins and pulled out the pieces that I'm going to be using. Also, to myself, along with Design with Emma and Lifestyle Designs with Teresa, we're going to be coming to you with Springmas 2026. It's going to be a 3-day collaboration, so you guys don't want to miss that. You don't want to miss it. So this is where I want it to be. It's nice and clean and ready to go. Now also, I want to bring in some spring colors, you guys, and I'm going to do that by bringing in this vase here. I'm just going to wipe it down because it has been stored away. Get all the little dust that I may have off of it. And you can also shop your home too for your spring decorating ideas. And I hope that what I'm creating today, it will inspire and motivate you to go ahead and start decorating for the spring. So this is my countertop that I am decorating here. And I'm using this wooden tray for my base. And then I'm using this glass vase that I'm going to make an arrangement in. But first, I am going to use some of this straw basket filler here. And I did pick this up from the Hobby Lobby store. So I'm going to use this grass filler. And you can use this for any type of basket that you're trying to create. And also, you can use it for your vases. So I'm just going to pour it in here. As you can see, I hope everyone is having an awesome day or night whenever you're watching this. I hope you are having an awesome time. And also, if this is your first time here, I welcome you with open arms. And if this is the type of content that you're interested in creating new spaces and new ideas in your home, don't hesitate to click on the subscribe button. We would love to have you here with At Home with Lisa. Now the Springmas collaboration is going to be April 1st, 2nd, and the 3rd. So if you want to go ahead and mark your calendar, go ahead and mark that Springmas is going to be April the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. Okay, so I want to make sure that it's good and full. So I want to add a little bit more in here, because I am going to be doing some more DIYs, so I want to be able to utilize this bag on at least 2 DIYs. I do have another bag that I purchased as well too. And y'all, this straw comes in different colors. Like, I think they have green, they may have pink, they may have blue. So yeah, that's as far as we're going with that. I'm also going to take my towel and clean up the straw that fell out. Because we want a clean surface area. I'm just put that excess in like so. Have you all started decorating for the spring? I love the spring colors. So we're going to start by adding this beautiful piece here, and I kind of want to hide the stem. That is the main reason by putting the grass in here. And what I want to do is I want this to be seen from both sides. I want it to be seen from this side, and I want it to be seen from that side. So I'm going to grab another one of these because I want them to be back to back. I do believe that I used these in my decor on last year and the year before that. And I did pick these up from the Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago. But I think this is something that they do bring out year round. Okay. So as you can see, and all you have to do is just spread your limbs out, fluff it up as much as you want, and you can add whatever you want to add to it. So with that being said, I have these 2 stems here. So cute. And we're going to spread the limbs out here. And then I'm just going to add it right here because I want to give it the fullness. So I have 2 of these that I am using. 2 of these full picks here. I just want to put it on the other side. I also have these egg picks as well with the bows on them. So I kind of want them to go slanted out. And I am using all of these pastel colors. I want the ribbon to kind of hang to give it a whimsical and dramatic look here. And I also have some bunny picks that I want to use. And I want them to go right about here. And, got to put it in here where it's going to stay. Okay, there and there. What I'm doing on the left, I'm doing on the right, and what I'm doing on the right, I'm doing on the left. So I like the way they are hiding behind the stems here. And yeah, that's our floral arrangement. Now, we can't stop there, you guys. Look at all this space we have in this tray here. So what we want to do is we want to add some more elements to our tray. And we're going to do that by adding 2 of the bunnies. And we're going to place them about right here. And I am loving the bows on these. And then this again, this is something that I brought back. So I'm going to have those 2 bunnies there. And then I have a candle that I picked up from Michael's after the Christmas holidays. And we're going to place that candle right there. And y'all, that's it. Something simple and easy. And y'all saw how easily I put this together. Anyone can do it. And you can fluff your stems and your leaves as much as you want to. And we got a lot of repetition going in here with the different colors. All right, you all, without further ado, we're going to go ahead and come back with our reveal. Now, don't y'all click off. Y'all make sure y'all stay to the reveal, because if y'all been with me for some time, y'all know I'll change it up. I'll take things away and add things. And so, yeah, you want to make sure you wait for the reveal. Thank you all so much for tuning in and watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video, whereas you will consider giving it a thumbs up and leaving me some sweet, loving, and kind comments down below. Now, here is the reveal. My whimsical spring centerpiece. As y'all can see, I went and added a bow with the plaid pattern there, and I just made that bow by hand really quickly. And so if you're just tuning in, or if you tuned in late, we started by adding this wooden tray as our base for our centerpiece, and then we added this beautiful green glass vase, and we added some grass filler in there, and you can choose whatever color that you want as far as your grass. And then we also added all these different picks. We added the egg picks here with the greenery, and the bunny picks here. And we added the bow, and we added these cute little babies. These cute bunnies here. And then we also added this candle we picked up from Michael's after the Christmas season. So yes, you guys, this is it. Simple and easy as 1, 2, 3. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed sharing it with you. And At Home with Lisa, we'll see you all in the next video. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and I can't wait to read your comments down below. All right, you guys, bye bye. See you in the next.
Thank you.